everyone and welcome back to my channel, and it has been very long. Again, I apologize, but this video is something you all have waited for, you all have commented to me, and we welcome all those 1,000 subscribers who have subscribed with me. Thank you so much, and let's jump into today's video. Recently, I had dropped a reel about my adoption story and journey, which I think a lot of people kind of resonated and wanted more info on this, and I thought it's the right time to share all the info with you, because I feel like if I can help you out in any which way with the process of adoption or convincing you to adopt a kid or something, that will be सबसे बड़ी खुशी मेरे लिए. So this video is purely for that purpose. So I'm going to try to cover the whole story and the journey from start to the end with all the important info that you should know. To start with, I was born in Pune, Maharashtra, and नहीं मेरे कोई real parents की नाम, identity, picture कुछ नहीं है. Like I have no connection, no association at all. They gave me very early, like I was just 4-5 days old when they dropped me, so that's why there is nothing. The reason for dropping me was financial stability. Did not have the money to raise a female kid. The adoption center called Bharatiya Seva Samaj Kendra, which is in Pune, and there are a lot of kids out there. I visited them a few months back, year bhi nahi hua hai, and there are so many kids who are waiting to get adopted. So if you want to get and go ahead with this process, please go visit this adoption center in Pune, and I'm sure कि अब इंडिया में बहुत adoption centers खुल गए हैं. This entire process can only start when the parents are fully convinced कि उनको बच्चा adopt करना है, और adoption के साथ उनकी challenges भी आते हैं. My parents were very well convinced कि उनको adopt करना है, is why my process started. I was adopted in March, so born in December, adopted in March, so I was just few months old. And वो एक होता है ना connection, मॉम डैड को फील हो बच्चे से. आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स बताते हो अडॉप्शन सेंटर्स को कि गर्ल चाहिए कि बॉय चाहिए, व्हाट एज ब्रैकेट डू यू वांट एट, एंड देन दे शो यू द किड्स, एंड देन यू कैन हैव इंटरेक्शंस, you can have physical touches with them so that you feel a connection with them. And that's exactly what happened with me. And that's where जो मैं रो रही थी, and then my mom picked me up, और जब उन्होंने मुझे उठा के यहाँ रखा, so there was just some connection that developed between my mom and me, and I was quiet, like मैं रोती हुई बच्चा शांत हो जाए बहुत बड़ी बात है in a second. So that's exactly, they knew this is our kid. वैसे ही आपको एक connection build होगा, and I'm sure कि it won't just be the way I explained it कि ऐसा हो गया. It will be something that is unexplainable, which if you ask my mummy, वो भी explain नहीं कर पाएंगी. It's a surreal feeling. तो वो हुआ, and then you have to go through government, there are a lot of procedures, you have to go to the court, and after all of that gets cleared is when you can take the baby home. You have to give a trial period as well. So terms, conditions exactly मुझे नहीं पता है, but I'm sure on any adoption website or center you will be briefed about these, is when you can go ahead if you want to. When you already have a kid and then an adopted baby comes, or if you have adopted a baby and then your kid comes, will there be complications? Yes, there will be complications, because families बहुत बड़ी होती हैं, तो complications तो होने ही होते हैं. But I feel like as parents it's your duty to make the child feel secure, or as a family to make that kid feel secure, and that's exactly what mine did, is why कोई insecurity है नहीं between the siblings. But I have seen cases where हो जाती है और बहुत difficult होता है. So I feel like जितना security तुम एक adopted kid को देते हो उतना कम है, trust me, उतना कम है. And it's like both are your kids. One just came from the heart and the other one just came from the stomach. This is a line that my mom told me, and you can use it to your own kids. And never compare the two. Never compare the two कि oh ये वो नहीं. Everyone, even if you have two biological kids, there will be differences between the two of them. So then that logic does not apply. There will be challenges about oh, I don't look like my parents, or people are commenting on me, or my looks are being discussed, or I'm being talked about. This all will happen. Trust me, it has happened with me. आपके साथ भी होगा. ऐसे भरे हुए I don't even know to curse, but there are so many idiots out there who are just going to pull you down. But trust me, as much as we put this as a taboo, it isn't a taboo. We have to change our rewiring of our brain and make this our biggest strength. And that's exactly what I have done. And that's exactly why I'm making a video, because I know if a kid sitting out there who is adopted, who's seeing this video, will resonate with me. कि हम लोग इसको बहुत ये लेके चलते हैं कि shit, I'm adopted. No more shit. We are not going to be like shit, I'm adopted. We're going to be like, yeah, I'm adopted. Can we like change the entire perception of what adoption? We can. लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का कहना बस फेंक दो और make it your biggest strength. Like be like, I'm gonna make my parents so goddamn proud कि उन्होंने मुझे adopt किया, या मैं ऐसे friends बनाऊंगी, या मैं ऐसा काम कर दूंगी, या भाई मैं जिंदगी जीऊंगी. Forget all of this, किसी को दिखाना या हो, मैं जिंदगी ऐसे जीऊंगी कि यार I got a second chance in life. None of these people have gotten that. I have gotten it. So why should I not make the most use of it? I will use it goddamn 100%. That's all. That's the rewiring you need. Whenever you are watching this video and if you have any goddamn doubt in your mind, you will sit and type it to me in the comments. My comments are always on, and I will always, if you need my help, I will always come on comments and I will try to reach out to you and we will have a conversation about this, and we're gonna work out this. This is so easy and this is your strength. Remember this. This is your strength. No one can steal it from you. No one. I'm touchwood very grateful कि मुझे बहुत अच्छी फैमिली मिली, मुझे एक second chance मिला life में. If not all of this, I would have been somewhere married, probably had kids. I don't know what life would have been if this whole story wouldn't have come in front. But there is always a reason why some things happen to special ones. And I tell everyone, I'm custom made. I'm only one copy and I have a second chance in my life. That's all. And I'm gonna make the most of it. हाँ, emotional होते हो. I have also been emotional. I have been tortured in my teenage about adoption and bullying and all sorts of it. I think I'm so much more confident about myself, my body, because I went through that phase. So जब कुछ चीज़ होती है और आपको लगता है शिट ये क्यों हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है ताकि 10 साल बाद या 5 साल बाद this Urvi could have been made. If that wouldn't have happened, this Urvi wouldn't have been made. बस तुम्हें उस दिन नहीं समझ में आएगा, तुम्हें उस दिन रोना आएगा, उस दिन उस इंसान को मारने का मन होगा. लेकिन trust me, if I was a future foreseer or whatever, I would tell you there is a reason why it's happening to you, dear. There is a reason and you will just not know it then. I know a lot of people have reached out to me saying that particular video encouraged them to adopt, they want more details, or they were not able to take the step or confront. यार सोचो, तुम किसी को एक सेकंड चांस दे रही हो, तुम किसी की जिंदगी बेटर कर सकते हो, तुम उस बच्चे की पूरी ड्रीम कर सकते हो कि उसको यार एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है, बट वो बेचारा बन नहीं पाएगा, बट तुम आओगी पिक्चर में, या you guys will come as parents in the picture, and probably that dream can be possible of that particular kids. That's all it takes. And trust me, we need to give out love. There is so much love in all of us. हमें बस देना है लोगों को, animals को, अपने आप को. Just give that love, man. You have one goddamn life. Yeah, I don't even know, like, I'm not here to sell a strategy or to convince you to adopt. No. It's a choice, and I think everyone has that choice and that power, and you need to make that choice. All I can give you is 100% assurance that this choice can be your biggest blessing in your life. That's all I can assure you. Yeah, please adopt. Please share your love. If not, you can't adopt, please not convince, but like talk about adoption openly. It's no more a taboo, guys. इट्स अमेजिंग फीलिंग यार. मैं कैमरे के सामने बक किए जा रही हूँ अपने अडॉप्शन के बारे में. मुझे नहीं पता ये कितने कितने लोगों तक पहुँचेगा, कौन कौन घर में देखकर ये बैठेगा या फैमिली के साथ मुझे देख रहा होगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट डिसीजन दे मेक इज ओके, आई थिंक वी कैन डू दिस, वी गोना अडॉप्ट. बस भाई, बस यही आई वॉन्ट दिस टू बी द एंड ऑफ माई व्लॉग और माई video, and that's all. Share love, be grateful. You have one life, please make some use out of it, and lots of love. Bye.